In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Autoconnect in Proton VPN. If Proton VPN keeps connecting automatically whenever you open the app or start your device, this setting is usually very easy to change. I'll walk you through the process slowly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open Proton VPN on your device. If the app is not already running, go ahead and launch it normally. In some cases, you may be asked to sign in before you can access the settings. If that happens, just log in and wait for the main dashboard to load completely. It's always a good idea to make sure the app is fully open before changing any settings, so you can see all the available options clearly. Once you're inside Proton VPN, look through the app interface and head to the settings area. You may need to scroll down a little until you find the section labeled Auto Startup. Take your time here because settings menus can look slightly different depending on your device or app version. The important thing is to locate the Auto Startup option and then click on it to open that section. After you open Auto Startup, look for the Auto Connect setting. This is the option that tells Proton VPN to connect automatically under certain conditions, such as when the app starts or when your device turns on. If you do not want that behavior anymore, simply click the Auto Connect toggle to turn it off. Once the toggle is disabled, Proton VPN should stop connecting automatically based on that setting. After changing it, it's a good idea to pause for a moment and make sure the toggle clearly shows that Auto Connect is off. Many apps use a color change or switch position to confirm whether a feature is enabled or disabled, so checking that visual indicator can help you avoid mistakes. And that's it. You've successfully turned off Auto Connect in Proton VPN. This can be helpful if you prefer to connect manually each time, or if you only want to use the VPN in specific situations instead of having it run automatically in the background. If you found this helpful, you can replay the steps and follow along again at your own pace. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to turn off AutoConnect in Proton VPN.